Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Comprehension. For decades, creativity was widely believed to be a fixed trait possessed by a select few. However, recent research in psychology and neuroscience suggests that creativity develops through repeated exposure to problem-solving tasks, a willingness to fail, and environments that encourage experimentation rather than perfection. This paragraph best supports the statement that A. Creativity depends largely on genetic inheritance. B. Creativity can be cultivated under the right conditions. C. Only scientists truly understand creativity. D. Failure prevents creative thinking. The correct answer is letter B. Creativity can be cultivated under the right conditions. The passage argues that creativity grows through practice and environment. Did you get it right?